Honor Magic V5 is official and it's the thinnest foldable. Honor skipped the V4, but they have not skipped or upgrades. The V4 was avoided because 4 is considered an unlucky number in China. The V5 looks very similar to the predecessor, but if you look at the closer inspection, the frame is now flatter for easier handling. The V3 was an impressive device. The V5 brings improvement across the board. It's thinner, lighter, and better protected against the element. When folded, the V5 is only 8.8 mm thick. It's down 4.1 mm, 4.2 mm unfolded depending on the color you pick, and weighs just 217 grams or 222 grams. Ivory white is slimmer and lighter, while black, dawn gold, and reddish brown is the higher figure. The V3 has a IPX8 rating, while the V5 has IP59 and 58 rating, improving the water protection and added resistance. The biggest upgrade is a 12% increase in the battery. The old 5150 mAh is replaced by 6100 mAh silicon carbon power bank in China, and overseas is 5820 mAh. It boosts the same 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. The displays are also identical. The cover screen is 6.43-inch Full HD plus 120Hz LTPO OLED screen with a peak brightness of 5000 nits. The inner screen is 7.95-inch, slightly higher resolution at 2352 into 2172 pixels. OLED screen with the same brightness. The cover screen is protected by Honor's anti-scratch nano crystal shield, while the folding one is protected by Honor's Super Armor inner screen. You get a 50 megapixel main camera, a new 50 megapixel f2.2 ultrawide camera, and a new 70 megapixel f2.5 telephoto camera with 64 megapixel sensor. For the selfies, you get two 20 megapixel f2.2 cameras on each display. It gets the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and ships in three configurations: 12 to 56, 16 512, and 16 1 terabyte, and comes in four colors: ivory white, black, dawn gold, and reddish brown. Prices start from $1,255 for the base variant of 1,07,500 Indian rupees and goes up to $1,535 or 1,31,400 Indian rupees.